The ketogenic diet, a regimen high in fats and low in carbohydrates, has gained immense popularity due to its effectiveness in weight loss and health improvement. This diet works by prompting the body to enter a state of ketosis, where fats, rather than carbohydrates, are burned for energy. This shift not only aids in rapid weight loss but also helps in enhancing cognitive functions and overall vitality. The reduction in carb intake and emphasis on fats influences brain health and energy levels, making the ketogenic diet a preferred choice for those aiming to improve both physique and mental clarity. In a ketogenic diet, understanding and managing macronutrients, fats, proteins, and carbohydrates is crucial. The diet's success hinges on maintaining a high fat and low carbohydrate intake, with moderate proteins. Typically, fats should constitute about 70 to 80% of total calories, proteins about 20 to 25%, and carbohydrates around 5 to 10%. This ratio ensures the body remains in ketosis, efficiently burning fat for energy. Keeping carbs low is vital as it prevents blood sugar spikes and sustains ketosis, while adequate protein intake supports muscle health without disrupting ketone production. Navigating the ketogenic diet starts with knowing which foods to embrace. Focus on high-fat, low-carb options like avocados, cheese, nuts, and fatty fish, which sustain ketosis. Effective meal planning is pivotal and starts in the grocery aisle. Read labels meticulously to avoid hidden carbs often found in processed foods and opt for whole, unprocessed ingredients. Prioritize high-quality fats like olive oil and coconut oil, as these not only enhance flavor but also provide health benefits. Drawing up a weekly meal plan based on these principles simplifies shopping, ensures dietary adherence, and makes the ketogenic journey smoother. Creating your first keto meal plan is a foundational step in adopting a successful ketogenic lifestyle. Start by planning meals for the week, incorporating ketogenic staples such as meats, leafy greens, and high-fat dairy. For beginners, simple recipes like scrambled eggs with spinach or a tuna salad with avocado are ideal. Each recipe should be tailored to meet personal taste preferences and nutritional requirements, ensuring a satisfying and nourishing meal. Adjusting recipes might involve swapping certain ingredients to enhance flavor or nutritional content while staying within the boundaries of the ketogenic diet's macronutrient ratios. Effective monitoring of your ketogenic journey is essential for optimal results. Utilize tools like ketone meters and fitness apps to track your progress and ensure you remain in ketosis. Monitoring isn't just about tracking ketones. Hydration and electrolyte balance are crucial, as keto diets can alter fluid and mineral levels. Based on the data from these tracking tools and personal feedback, adjustments to the meal plan may be necessary. This customization might involve tweaking macronutrient ratios or incorporating more variety to meet your nutritional needs and preferences, enhancing both the effectiveness and enjoyment of the diet.